Did you know there are many people who can talk but they'll not be able to speak at all? But you should be a great speaker, not a talker. But would you please tell me which one do you like most? I mean, what do you want to be? Hello there, this is Vijay and welcome to my presentation. Well, if you can talk a lot, I can address you as a talker or a great talkative person. And if you can speak a lot, what can I do for you? Well, here is a question. Why do you need to be a great speaker? Yeah, it's also my today's topic. Why do you need to be a great speaker? So, number one, overcome your fear. It has another name called glossophobia, means fear for public speaking. So, number one, to overcome your fear. Number two, to boast your self-confidence. Number two, to boast your self-confidence. Number three, to inspire others. Number three, to inspire others. Number four, to developing your leadership skills. To developing your leadership skills. And number five, to developing your communication skills. And here, to developing your leadership skills and to developing your communication skills, those are called your life skills. So here at Vijay.net will help you a lot to develop your presentation skills. So please be with us and subscribe my channel Vijay.net as soon as possible. And if you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and obviously press the bell icon for my next video. Thank you so much for listening and watching me. Bye-bye.